Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Tinder. Many people avoid Tinder like the plague because of its sleazy reputation. But if that's you too, maybe now you should reconsider. Don't worry, you can actually have a good time and be successful, but first you need to know how to use Tinder. Let's start with the basics. Swipe right and swipe left. Tinder is pretty superficial because most people just look at the photos of someone and decide whether they like them or not. You can write a bio, but some people don't even read it if they're just looking for a hookup. So, if you like someone, you swipe right. That means you like them, and you hope they like you too. If they swipe right on you too, then you will show up as a match. If they didn't, then you'll never see them again. If you don't like someone, then swipe left, and hopefully you'll never see them come up again. The second one is swipe up. You might not have heard of swipe up, but it means a super like. Kind of like an OMG, I never thought a person like this ever existed, and I want them to know how awesome and think they are even more awesome than a simple swipe right. Third, unmatch. You might not know that you can unmatch people, but you can. Sometimes you accidentally swipe right when you meant to swipe left. Or you accidentally super like someone and you are horrified because you had absolutely no interest in them. No worries, you can always unmatch them. Or even if you start talking to them and they get creepy, feel free to unmatch them. Fourth, disable discovery. Maybe you're sick of Tinder and want to take a break for a while. Or maybe you met someone amazing and you want to focus on dating only them. You can tell Tinder to anyone until you say otherwise. That's called disabling discovery. Fifth, location and distance. One of the basic things to know when learning how to use Tinder is that it is based on distance. This is because in the beginning, if you were out drinking with friends and felt horny, you could find someone in the general vicinity to meet and have. But you can set how close or far you want to go to meet someone. Even if you travel or business, the location will automatically change for you when you are in a city. 6. Preferences for age and gender. And last, 7. Tinder Plus. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.